In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to verify your Apple Pay on your Navy Federal application. So first, you need to access your Apple Wallet on your iOS. Once you click on the Apple Wallet, you will redirect to this page, and for you to able to verify that, you need to add something on your wallet, which is you will click the plus icon on the Apple Wallet. Once you click on that, you will see under the available cards is a bunch of options, which is your previous cards, debit or credit cards, as well as your transit cards. Just click on the debit or credit card and you could find your Navy Federal if you would scroll down or just simply utilize the search bar by searching the Navy Federal. And once you click on that, click the continue button and scan your card. You could also enter your card details manually and make sure your card details entered or input is correct. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.